Hey guys, Mike Roth here from Team Takedown Guide Service. We are today going to fillet a king salmon caught on the Upper Columbia River on our Pro Fillet board and their new mat that they have out for the boards. These mats perfectly fit their boards and are very, very effective. Let's pull out a nice king here that we caught up here on the Iniat and show you how to fillet this guy. I start by opening up the belly, see what we got inside. These Pro Fillet boards got these hooks right here for the gill plates. So you can open your fish up, hook the gill plates, and look, it's held in there. It's locked solid for me so I can hold it one-handed. Makes it a whole lot easier. You can see how easy that is for us. And boom, there's your fillet. Flip it over, do the other side, you're good to go. Thank you.